Hey guys, here is some technology rules that I have for you. These will help you be successful and use your devices smartly. The first rule we have is do not change settings without permission. This is important because if we change settings on our devices, then it may make it hard for us to access the apps or the processes that we need to complete our assignments. Second, we have is do not download anything to the computer without permission. This is important because if you download apps or games on the computer, it may take up a lot of space, which means that your computer may be slow to load assignments or games or apps that we need to complete our lessons. Third, we have is do not share any personal information. This is very important. If you're on a website that is asking for your personal information, do not share. Come get a teacher and let us know. If you share personal information, it's hard to get anything back, and it's out there for good. So be sure not to do this. Fourth is leave your device the way you got them. This is important because if you get your device out and set it somewhere random, it's hard. We may lose it, or it may get stolen, or it could possibly even get broken. So we need to put our devices back the way we found them. That way we can get them without getting them lost or hurt while they're missing. Next we have is do not be on websites without teacher's approval. Be sure that before you access any website, you have asked the teacher if that's okay. If you're caught doing this, there will be consequences. Next we have is no taking pictures of others. This is important because if we take pictures of other students or staff, then there will be consequences. We do not have permission from other students' parents to have their pictures taken by other kids or to have them on other devices. So do not take pictures of any other students or staff while you have your device. Next is be gentle. Be sure that you know that these devices need to be handled with care. This goes along with be respectful for the next one. Be sure to handle them nicely. Don't be throwing them around, and because if they get broken, then that's out and we have to get a new one. So be sure to be careful with them and be respectful and gentle with them. Next is hold devices with both hands. This goes along with being gentle and respectful. When you're carrying your device around, be sure to hold it with two hands so it's less likely to drop it or to get it broken. Lastly is no food or drinks near the devices. This is important because if you have a food or drink and it spills on the device, it could ruin it or cause it to have some damage done. So be sure to not bring any food or drink near the devices. If you need to drink or eat food, be sure to put the device up and then do so. And then once you're done eating, clean up where you're at and then get your device back out. Please follow these rules to keep all of our technology safe and also be respectful of it. And be sure that you have permission to access all that you're going to do. Thank you.